Number 5 is official Creality upgraded 3D printer. If you're looking for a 3D printer that produces high-quality gun parts, consider the official Creality Ender 3v2 upgraded 3D printer. This printer has a self-developed silent motherboard that offers faster and more stable motion performance, making printing quieter and more efficient. The printer is also UL certified, thanks to its mean well power supply that ensures fast heating and long printing times. Loading and feeding filament is easy with the Ender 3v2's rotary knob on the extruder, and the brand new Operation UI system and 4.3-inch smart color screen offer a fantastic user experience. The printer also comes with a resume printing function that saves time and reduces waste by allowing you to resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after a power outage. The Ender 3v2's Carborundum Glass Platform enables the hotbed to heat quickly and prints to adhere better without warping. The ultra smoothness, even on the first layer, ensures that your gun parts will be of the highest quality. So if you are interested in an upgraded 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for gun parts. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.